Welcome to LivionKey. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of securely handing over a key by creating a key contract. So, what is a key contract? Think of it as a digital agreement. It links a specific key to a recipient for a set period, giving you a clear, trackable record of who has your key and for how long. Let's begin in the key list view. First, find and select the key you want to hand over. Now you can either right-click to open the context menu or use the action button in the top right corner. From either menu, choose Handover Key. Next, you'll configure the key locker reservation. You have two main options. First is reserve for the duration of the contract. This keeps the original locker reserved for this key until the contract ends. The recipient must return the key to that exact same locker. This option is ideal for short-term handovers like guest access or rentals. Your second option is to release the locker after key retrieval. This frees up the locker for other keys as soon as the recipient picks theirs up. This is common for long-term arrangements, such as for students or employees, where keys are returned using the receive key operation. Now, define the contract period. Set the earliest possible pickup time and the latest required return time. Enter the recipient's details. You can either fill in the information manually or search and select from saved contacts to pre-fill the form. There's also a save or update contact option, which lets you store new contacts for quick use in the future. Choose how you want to send the pickup notification, by email, SMS, or both. By default, the system uses your organization's notification settings. In the advanced options, you can override this selection and decide which notifications the recipient will receive. After that, you can also add a personal message that will be included in the notification. Finally, preview the notification. This allows you to see the email and SMS exactly as your recipient will receive them. When you're satisfied, click Handover Key to finalize and send the contract. When the recipient picks up the key, the system automatically logs the event. You can view this in the contract's event list, which also shows contract creation, notification delivery, and their statuses. The key fetched event includes full details of the retrieval, the exact time, a verification photo of the person, and locker photos from before and after pickup, so you can track exactly what was taken. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. You can find more guides and training materials at LivionKey.com.